What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Out and about again. I'm like been out all day. But yeah, we are out in Long Beach. Of course I got a Nike outlet. Let's go check it out. Nike outlet Long Beach. It is located at the Pike outlets. Alright, man, I wish they had more sneaker shops here. Oh, they do have a Converse. Oh, I never knew they had a Converse. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go check out Nike outlets. Alright, nothing at the counters. They never have anything at the counters though. Do they have a little heat wall? No, I don't think so. Oh, they should have a little heat section here. Okay. They do have the little heat section. Okay. Alright, everything 20% off. I guess 20% off the back wall as well. Looks like they got a bunch of grade school stuff. Nothing too crazy. 5.5. Okay. Nothing too crazy. All these grade school. Yeah, nothing crazy. And they got these are preschool, I think. Okay. Of course, we do have 20% off the back wall right here. And we do got plenty of openings. Does that mean people bought all the good stuff? I don't know. Let's look around. We do got these Air Zoom GT jumps. Of course, we are starting off with a 10.5, which is my size. And dang, dude, I've been saying these look like some serious basketball sneakers. Does have Zoom Air in the back, Zoom Air in the front. That Zoom Air in the back looks like a really fat stack. I haven't tried these on though. I've not tried these on. These look dope. I haven't seen these in too many retail shops though. What's up with that? Upper material looks okay. Look definitely interesting. Not like for how bulky they are. They seem pretty light. Of course, it is $180. That is the retail price. Got these Air Force Ones here. Definitely interesting. $125 for these. These are size 10. Like a translucent material in the back. Just regular leather Air Force Ones on the front. Does look like it does have some React in there. Okay. Probably why those are called the Air Force One React. Okay. Converse here. The Fly Ease ones you could take on and off real easy. Why would they send this to the Converse outlet, which is like right around the corner? Some golf shoes. Victory. Are these the Victories? There's some Victory Trainer 2s. Okay, just go for $100 so. $80 for these. Phantom Run React Flyknits. Not too much crazy in the 10.5. Niges. Got these bad boys going for $105, which is retail. Flyees right here. Flyees. These are size 11, $120. We've been seeing these React Lives go for hella cheap. Does have full length React. Okay, $50, dude. Size 10.5. Air Madas. Not really too familiar with these. These are ACG right here. Okay. I know. ACG people, y'all love your ACG, so I don't think it matters how they look. $130 for those. I was like, what? These ain't no Victory. What? Nike Victory? That's what these are called? Just some plain looking canvas shoes going for $70, 11.5. Kyrie Low 5s. First time we've seen these. I thought that this is probably a return. Okay. No retail tag on it. Size 12. Moving along pretty quick because there's just not much. The Flyees. PG5 size 13s. And then it says retail. What? More size 13. $140 for those. What size? Size 18, $55 for these. Damn, they don't even have any size 14s or 15s today. This is the only 14 right here. $20 for these. The Zoom Pulse. Checking out the size 9s. These are the Superfly Elite. Yep, $280 for those. Regular price. Damn, I was hoping for something. Metcon 6s going for $110. Got Blazers, $110 for those. Size 9.5, more than 9.5, go for $95. That's a Witness. Some Air Sheshes right here, $110 for those. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of giving up on the clearance section here. Just nothing. All right, I'm switching things up. Gonna check the apparel section. Look, someone paid like for that expensive Fiji water and then drank a tiny bit and then left it. Is that a refill? Is that someone who be refilling their bottles? Because I'll be doing that sometimes. 30% off apparel. Dude got a U.S. soccer jersey. Is this a women's or is this a men's? I can't really tell. But yeah, $165 down to $150. That is size medium. Yeah, man, that's hella high. Damn. Was it dry fit though? Damn, these are going for $229. Size small. The LeBron jackets, we've seen these as low as $100. Nike shirts, these are all mediums, go for $20. I picked up a couple of these for $10 at the clearance store. Of course, not everybody has a clearance store around them. $90 for this. I don't know what team it is. Y'all always clown on me for not knowing the jerseys, but I don't know soccer dude. My bad, you guys. Yeah, I got these. Go for $90. You get 30 off. Zion shirts go for $20. Normally 25. This is size large. What the hell is this? You know, trying to say it's recycled and stuff, but this is normally $50. It is a real high quality shirt, but the color, first of all, and then a bird. Ooh, who's gonna walk around with a bird? Really? Like really? 15 under 25, and it's hella bright. And just not much. Got another clearance rack. We do have another one for tops. $90 for this one. This is size large fleece jacket. Is that tech fleece though? Feels like tech fleece. Doesn't feel like regular fleece. Hawaii shirts going for $40. Normally $60. These are all XLs. Drew League shirts going for $30. This is a small dry fit shirt right here. Normally $68 down to $40. Remember, you do get that 20% off. Dry fit shirts going for $22. This is a small. It's a small but a tall. All right, we got the pants section. Damn, dude, really? All right, we got some sweats. $120 down to $110. Like, really? That's it? Really, dog? Damn, what is this? Is this dry fit? Is that why it's so expensive? Why is it so expensive? I don't know. It's a... I don't even know what size it is, dog, man. I'm tripping. Oh, size medium. Damn, a couple weeks ago, like, I was just finding steals at every location. Not today. Triple XL going for $40. Like half fleece, half, I don't know what the hell that, nylon material. Got some yoga pants. I don't know what, do guys wear yoga pants? Like really, is that a thing? Is that really a thing? What the hell? All right, $25, y'all want to wear yoga pants, that's there for you. Dang, just not much today, not much. 55 down to 50 for some fleece Nike shorts right there. Damn. I don't know why I can't talk today. That's clearance apparel. Yeah, they got some backpacks. Nothing too crazy though. Nothing too exciting. $22. Good price, just not that exciting. All right, let's check out the aisles now. Stuff that we've seen at most spots. Witness 5s. Another one of those. PG 5s. That's a Team Bank colorway. Well, I think a lot of people call these team basketball, but it is technically Team Bank. SB Blazer courts, canvas version of the Blazers. Go for regular price though, man. Hydro slides, we've seen. Why are we seeing the 6 everywhere, but not any of the other ones? They just giving us the most janky stuff right here. The lift-offs as well as the Hydro 6s. Got the 11 Comfort lows. Fools paying regular price for that, really? I hope y'all ain't paying regular price for that. At least like on sale. React milers right here. Nike Zoom Spans. What the hell are these? What are these? I have no clue what these are. $45 though. These really selling out? Really? Okay, I guess the price is good. Pegasus Trail 2s, 37s. More of these Pegasus 37s. Damn, they just must have like warehouses full of these because we've seen this at every outlet. 38s. Another one of those. This thing's all coming out. Infinity Run Flyknits. Always got plenty of running shoes. Invincible Run Flyknits going down in price. This is like hella cheap, man. That's what's up. That's up $50 off. If you can find one of these at the clearance stores though, I think you can find these for under $100. Crater Impacts. Court Royale 2s. Victory 1 slides. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Another one of those. The Offline 2s. Normally $1.25. This is like Nike's most high-end slide, dude. You can take these things out and they have different types of insoles for them, and then just throw it right back in. Damn, $85 though, man. That's deep, yo. That's deep. Air Max 95. Was this a quick strike back in there? Nike MD Runner 2s. Air Max Genomes. Air Max 90s. 270 Reacts. Metcon 6s. Another one of these. Metcon Free 3s. Super Rep Go 2s. Okay. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. And we've been seeing tons and tons of colorways of these. And then, yeah, they're here. Dang, multiple ones. Women's section, just not much. Let's check out the kids section, see what's up. Checking out the 6.5s and 7s, I guess. 80 bucks for these. Okay. I don't even know what the retail for kids is. But yeah, Zoom Free 2 PEs go for 65. 70 for the Zions right here. Another colorway. Still 70. Damn, your price is high, man. What the hell? The Tempo. Oh, this is usually the Tempo Next Percent. They just call it the Tempo Flyness. Go for 60 bucks. More of these Zions. Same price. LeBron's go for $1.15. You got the Air More Up Tempos. $90. Okay, that's a little bit great price because these normally are 100. Well over 100 bucks, $1.30 I think. So you got the PG5s going for $60. Okay. That's a size 5 though. Size 5 Zoom Free 2s going for 50. More of the Zions they're still 70 bucks, man. Got these slide sandal looking things, $30. Infant stuff right here, man. Extra dry, extra dry, damn. Checking the aisles in the kids section. LeBron Witness 5s, Flytrap 3s. Another one of those. Zoom Free 2s. Crater Impact. Got some generic stuff. Air Max Bolts. Some Genomes. Air Max Motions. What the heck? Dang, I think the rest of it is all generic stuff. Women's section, just Super Rep 3s. Metcon 7s. Some cycling shoes. Some Super Rep Cycles. Revolution 5s. Dang, just more and more generic stuff. Renews right here. Wind Flows, Revolutions. Damn, dude, just wow. Women's section is extra dry. All right, I think we're gonna wrap it up. I think we're done. All right, guys. I don't know what to say. It is what it is. Can't win all the time. It is what it is, you guys. It is what it is. Definitely did not have much. Like I haven't really seen too much this entire weekend. Just haven't seen much at the Nike outlets. I was expecting tons and tons of stuff because a lot more people are returning things. But this outlet's been dry as hell lately. I don't know, maybe I just didn't come early in the morning. Maybe that's it. If you guys have come here super early in the morning, let me know in the comment section what you guys have found, because maybe that's it. Maybe, you know, because it is, man, I got here late as hell. I got here in the afternoon, so, you know, maybe that's the way it is. But yeah, make sure you help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. If you are here new to my channel, my goal is to always drop a video every morning, usually at 6 a.m. Pacific time, 9 a.m. Eastern time. And yeah, man, goal is a video every day. So yeah, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. And the rest of y'all, see you guys next one, because, you know, yeah, I'll be back. I got plenty of videos coming. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace. Make sure you guys get your tickets validated. They do validate tickets at Nike. Man, if I saw that selection and I had to pay for parking, I'd be so irritated. All right, we out.